wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah and welcome back to Dream Again. It's Earth Day today. Well kids, quite honestly, it should be Earth Day every day, right? Because we live on Earth every single day and having Earth as our home is the most important thing we have in our life. Because no matter where you live, we all live on the same planet called Earth. And that also means that we need to do our best to take care of this Earth. Just like we take care of our dog, or cat, or turtle, or bunny, or... well, there's so many things we take care of, right? But the same way we take care of our home or ourselves, we all need to do our part to take care of Earth. And who can help us out with that? Of course, Noah and Olivia. Let's see what they are up to.
Oh! Hi, kids! Hi! Wow, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Look at this great bag I found. It's got so much neat stuff in it. There's so much we can do with this stuff, kids. Okay, let's see. We've got... some paper things.
Olivia? Ooh, that's disgusting. Why are you going through the trash bag?
Oh, it's so hard to see you. Oh, no, this isn't trash, Noah. This is supplies.
But it says trash. Trash. Trash.
Yeah, but
you're going through the trash? That's disgusting.
Yeah, but I'm going through the trash for supplies. No, I already got all the supplies. Here, look, I'll show you.
No, get away, kids.
No.
Watch out.
It's gonna get you. See?
Yeah, the trash monsters.
No, it's art supplies.
That looks very organized. What are you doing with all of this? Why aren't you throwing this into the trash?
Because, Noah, we can use all this stuff.
But why?
Because it's Earth Day, Noah. I wanted to show the kids.
Earth Day? What's Earth Day?
Earth Day is a day where we all come together and everyone does something to help the Earth. Just like the Earth helps us every other day.
Yeah, but... I mean, what do you do with a bottle like this? Wouldn't you just throw that into the trash?
No. Well, first off, you don't throw that in the trash. You would recycle it. But we don't even need to recycle it. We can repurpose it and use it for something else. So what you can do is you can cut the top off of it around where the red label is, and then you can make it a planter for your plants outside. Or you can make it into a Halloween costume.
A Halloween costume?
Yeah. Here,
how?
Here. There's this tube, right?
A tube and a water bottle?
Mm-hmm.
You take. Are you okay, Olivia? Because Halloween costume.
Oh, kids, he doesn't know. Yeah, you can take it and you put 2 of those bottles together, and then have you ever seen a scuba tank?
Oh.
Yeah.
So we're making craft out of this for...
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah, it's all craft stuff. Yeah. Yeah,
and this is my breathing tube.
Yeah, this would be your breathing tube, and then you can take...
and then I can use my goggles, and it looks like I'm actually going to dive into the water with my breathing.
Yeah. See? So we want to save all that. We don't want to throw that away, right? That's like a really great idea.
That's a great idea, Olivia. But, what about this? I mean, this is trash.
No, that's great. See behind us on that rainbow?
Yeah.
See the big puffy clouds?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, we can use that to make big puffy clouds. See, it's not garbage.
Huh.
And it's white, so at winter we can use it to...
Oh, I know. Snowflakes.
Yeah.
We can make snowflakes out of it.
Yeah, see?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, but I know for sure, 100% for sure, that this these are paper. This is toilet paper rolls.
Yeah.
Why do you keep those? I mean, toilet paper, we throw that into the trash, and these empty toilet paper rolls, we throw that into the trash too.
No. No, those are really neat. You can actually make a bird feeder out of that.
A bird feeder?
Yeah.
But how would we do that?
You can take a piece of twine through the middle, and then you can put peanut butter on it and roll it in bird seed and hang it up outside, and birds will come and eat the seeds off of it. They really like it. It's fun for them.
Oh, look, I can even use it as a telescope.
Oh, yeah, you can use it as a telescope or binoculars. You could make 2 binoculars.
That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
It has like, it looks like wheel shapes.
Yeah, it's very round,
Do
right?
you think we can make Thomas the Train with it?
Yes, we can. Absolutely, we can make Thomas.
Oh, that's cool. I hope for one of our crafts, maybe we can do that. Or maybe we've done it already. I don't know, actually.
Yeah, I like that idea. Yeah, Thomas is really neat.
Wow. So that's
There's so
pretty
much
cool.
stuff, huh?
That with this trash, you can do so many things.
Yep. Yeah, isn't that neat? I really appreciate it. That's what Earth Day's all about, is seeing how you can reuse things and make sure you recycle things. Yeah.
Okay, but let me I have another idea of what I think we could do. And you tell me if that's something that makes sense. What if we plant a tree in our community? Is that going to help us on Earth Day as well?
Yes, absolutely. You can plant a tree. Yeah, or a flower, like all those planted.
Look that tree there.
Oh. Wow.
Wow, that happens just
That was
because
so
we put
neat.
a seed in there and then it just grows?
Yeah, yep. Whenever you plant a seed, isn't that neat?
That is neat.
Wow.
Well, what else can you do though?
Oh, really easy things too. Like every day, if you turn off your light whenever you're not in your bedroom. Yeah.
Really? That helps?
Yeah, it saves electricity. And electricity comes from all sorts of sources.
And it costs money too.
It costs money, and also it uses our natural resources up.
Oh. What about limiting our water usage? Would that help too? Because I always know there are people who don't have water privileges just like we do.
Yeah.
Like obviously, I just go to the refrigerator and I
Yeah.
can drink water.
Yeah.
But there are people who don't have access to water like
Yeah.
we do. Will that help too?
Yeah, that helps a lot. Yeah, because there's not clean water everywhere, so we don't want to use too much.
So turning off the faucet when I brush my teeth,
Yes.
that would help. And then I just
Yeah.
turn it on again when I spit into it, and then it just goes away instead of just running the whole time.
Or you could
while I
even
brush.
just fill up a cup of water and then use it to rinse. Go.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah, and then you just pour the rest out at the end, or just turn the tap just for a tiny second.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Yeah, and also you can give time for Earth Day. Huh? Do you know how you would do that?
Wait, but that doesn't make sense. Why should I give my time? And how would that help Earth?
Yeah, you can go with your parent and you can volunteer, and then you could pick up trash outside near your house.
What's volunteering?
Oh, volunteering is when you offer to do something for free to help someone else or to help other people or the world.
So we would be helping the Earth on our time to maybe plant a tree.
Yeah, you could plant a tree, or you could pick up trash, or you could start a collection drive. You could get all the neighborhood recyclables together.
Oh, and when we would be at an ocean, we could also pick up all the plastic so it won't just go all into the ocean, because I hate being at the beach and just seeing all of that trash.
Yeah. Trash at the beach is no fun.
Huh.
Yeah, just like hiking. Trash when you're hiking is no fun either.
Yeah. But this is all great, and now we've told our kids. What else would it help? How can we get it to everywhere and so everybody does this? I mean, because you just told me, and now I know better. Who else should I be telling this? So kids. Should I be telling this to the kids?
Yeah, you can tell everyone. So I told you, and together we both told the kids, right? And then if the kids tell their friends and their friends, then so many kids will know, and everyone will have fun doing Earth Day stuff.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's big. You can do big things even when you're a little kid.
I do have one more question. I'm
What's your
sorry, I have
question?
so many questions.
I like your questions. It's fun.
Why do we celebrate Earth Day just on one day? Because don't we live on Earth like every single day, and like there are 365 days, and why are we just doing this one day out of those 365 days?
That is a very, very good question. Actually, Noah, I would say every day you should do stuff like it's Earth Day, but on one day of the year, it's a special day where we can just celebrate the Earth. So it's basically you do it every day, and then maybe one day a year you do even more.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's kind of like, you could think of it like Earth's birthday. Like instead of a cake, you plant a tree for Earth.
Oh, I like that. It's Earth birthday.
Earth birthday.
That's
Sing
a good
happy
one.
birthday to the Earth.
Oh, let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, dear Earth. Happy birthday, dear Earth. Happy birthday, dear Earth. Happy birthday to you. Wow. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot.
That was really fun.
I know I learned a lot about Earth and what we should be doing and what we can be doing. And I know for sure, kids, this Earth is our home.
Yeah.
And if we take care of it, it'll take care of us.
Yeah.
And kids, it's our future, right? That we need to make sure. So we need to do as much as we can to make sure that our home is going to be fine and good and that it'll be healthy and safe. And
it's important to remember that even as little kids, there's a lot you can do. Even just picking up trash when you're walking home from school. If you see a piece of trash, just pick it up. Every little bit helps.
I can do that.
Yep.
For sure.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Olivia, for teaching me and the kids what it is we can do on Earth Day and on every other day.
Every single day.
Very cool.
Day. Yay.
Thanks. High five.
High five. High five.
High five.
High five.
Very cool.
Yay, Earth Day.
Earth Day.
Great.
1, 2, 3. Yay,
Yay,
Earth
Earth
Day. That's really cool.
That was really, really cool.
I think that's it.
I think so too.
Can we go outside and play now?
Yeah, we're gonna go outside and play now on the Earth.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Okay. We should say goodbye.
Okay. Bye, kids. See you next time.
See you next time.
And remember, take care of Earth.
Yep, take care of the Earth and make lots of cool stuff.
Yep.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Yay. Go Earth.
Yay, go Earth.
Wow. I guess it's time for us to think about what we can do. Because I like going on walks, I'm going to always take a glove and a bag, and any trash that I cross, I will put in the bag and make sure it goes into the trash. But I'll also make sure that what can be recycled, like plastic or paper, will be recycled. Wow, that's a great idea. I'm going to do that every single time now. Kids, what are you going to do? Or what else can I do? I'd love to hear from you. Please send us a note. Other than that, I think I'm going to grab my bag and my glove, and I'm going to head out and start cleaning this Earth because it's our home. Woohoo! Well, kids, that's it for today's lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye!
If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.